Hello, my name is Carly, and today I'll be teaching you how to install the Client Selections QuickPick tool. Construction Online Selections QuickPick tool is a convenient browser extension that allows both company users and client link users to quickly populate selections directly from vendor websites. Once the browser extension has been installed, the QuickPick tool can pull multiple points of data, including price, images, and more, from a single web page into Construction Online. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Client Selections page within your project and select the Action menu. From here, you can select the Get Selection Picker tool. Now you can use the Go to the Web Store link to open your browser's web store and add the extension. You can also pin the extension to make it easier to access the QuickPick tool while browsing vendor websites. To do so, you'll want to navigate to your browser's extensions list and ensure that the pin icon or toggle is activated. When the extension is pinned, the Construction Online icon will appear near the top of your browser. I hope this helps as you begin using the Client Selections features within Construction Online. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or reach out to one of our product specialists. Have a great day.